This video is about Indian National Symbols Quiz. Which is the national vegetable of India? Answer: pumpkin. Which is the national fruit of India? Answer: mango. The national animal of India is. Answer: tiger. National heritage animal of India is. Answer: elephant. Which is the national bird of India? Answer: peacock. The national tree of India is. Answer: Banyan. The national flower of India is. Answer: Lotus. National anthem of India is. Answer: Jana-Gana-Mana. Jana-Gana-Mana was originally composed in. Answer: Bengali. National song of India is. Answer: Vande Mataram. National song of India was written by. Answer: Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. How many Asiatic lions are there in the State Emblem of India? Answer: 4. National aquatic animal of India is. Answer: Ganges River dolphin. National river of India is. Answer: Ganga. National currency of India is. Answer: Indian rupee. National reptile of India is. Answer: king cobra. Which of these is widely considered as the national game of India? Answer: hockey. National calendar of India is. Answer: Saka calendar. What is the name of our national flag in India? Answer: tricolor, Tiranga. What is the ratio of width of Indian national flag to its length? 2:3. Please mention your score also on comment box, like, share and support Indian Learning Quiz YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.